I've got anything in my pocket. Oh dear. No, I don't have anything. I don't have anything. I'm sorry, we're being hounded by the bird mafia of the Scilly Isles again. Yes. I haven't got any brioche yet. I'm sorry. Yes, have that cherry stone. That's a lovely... Fruit is much better for your health than brioche. I'm sorry that the... Hello. No, I haven't got any. It's St. Martin's all over again.
Yeah.
So this is what happened with St. Martin's, with sparrows. Yeah. This time it's the St. Mary's blackbirds. So if I don't come back, if myself and Jez disappear because birds have eaten us, then this is why.